So today I worked on ironing out the initial idea I had about the platform and creating a base database structure. Um, so I had a lot of thought into how I wanted it to work. Looked at various platforms like Product Hunt, which is kind of a similar structure. They've got creators and then they've got the people who actually are just browsing on Product Hunt and want to interact with the products. So that that structure is quite similar, but there are some differences. I think I wanted to make sure that people won't abuse this platform. So people don't just review for the sake of getting a promo code, or people don't just post products and just trying to take feedback without actually contributing at all. So the way I thought about doing that was using um, like a tokenized system. So I've called them indie tokens, but the main idea is that you get points for um, contributing feedback, and it costs tokens to create a product and try to get feedback, and then you also get it if you refer new users. So I thought that was quite a good way of trying to keep everyone incentivized to actually look elsewhere other than what they were doing. Um, and then it will need some extra monitoring, like Product Hunt does and other platforms. Um, and then I also wanted to impose like a 200 character limit or some sort of limit on reviews to try and say, okay, that review is actually probably quite useful. Otherwise, not allow it. And then I set up like a flow that I think would work. So you review someone, it's a locked review, and then if the creator wants to get that feedback, they then have to submit a promo code and then they unlock it. So I quite like that. And then I set up the database structure. So I have it all on Postgres at the moment. But yeah, hopefully development soon.